Good morning, everybody. This is SearchNav support over here with our next sprint iteration. And because things have been so peachy here, our mascot this time around is Jack Black and his newest music video, Peaches. And with that, I'll go ahead and pass it to John.
Thank you. Hello, team. Well, for this iteration, I'm going to work in the language selector. So there's a lot of things to do there to detect URLs, detect if a page has localization. So it will be a good challenge. And after that, I'm going to migrate some customer pages into buyer's experience. And that's it for me in this iteration. I'm going to pass it over to Laura.
Thank you. I will also be working on some localization work. I'm going to be doing the navigation and probably searching the URL to see if it has like a DE or an FRFR and show the localized nav for now until we get a bit more clever with it. And then I'll also do the SMB page in Japanese, German, and French. And then I'll try to translate the assets on those pages, the enterprise and the SMB page, because they have assets with English on them currently, images with English. So translating those into the languages. And then I have some migrations as well for the company pages, company e-group and company board of directors. And I grabbed a topics page as well to migrate over to a new template that we have, which I should have time for. I will pass it off to Miracle.
So this time around, I will be releasing the newest navigation. I also have some localization work. I will be localizing the free trial page. I'll also be migrating our company contact page to buyer experience, and I'll be fixing a bug that we have on the partner programs Hero CTA. And then finally, since our marketing cookie has been officially merged into the product site, I'll be checking and making sure that we can actually use it on our end from the marketing site. And with that, I'll pass it to Trevor.
All right, so for design this iteration, I'll be working on removing discuss from our blog template. So that's going to be switching over to a CTA to our community forum. Some other things that I'm working on the paid search free trial landing page, as well as continuing to work on the trusted by section on the homepage. And then also working on the incubation engineering experience. So yeah, pretty packed list, but yeah, should be a fun iteration. So I'll pass it over to Miguel.
Thank you, Trevor. For my part, this iteration, I'll be working on the automation of schema that we've been working the past couple of weeks, this time for the topic pages. I also have a couple of follow-up issues for the schema in the blog posts, so I'll be also doing that. I also have another follow-up issue from the nav release, where we have some slow fading for some buttons in the navigation. So I'll be looking into that. I'll also a couple of pages to migrate experience will be and finally with the DevOps page, I'll be copying what's been done in the page. So for me, this iteration, back to Laura. Laura.
All right, I'm gonna go through and close some issues that we had for creating new pages back when we created the new buyer experience site. There's some old issues there I'm going to circle back on. And it is week 11 of Q1. So we're coming in strong to the end of the quarter. And it's going to be a really good one. All right. We'll see you next time.